Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today, we actually going to talk about is another crash coming. We're going to look over some charts, and we're going to answer some questions. So definitely make sure you type in your questions. If you're new to my channel, if you're tired of, hearing people saying this is the bottom and next month we sell off, hit the subscribe button. Okay, if you're tired of this up and down roller coaster and you don't know which way the market is going to go, hit the subscribe button, guys. Because I am a professional trader and swing trader. I day trade Monday to Friday, the financial markets, crude oil, and I also swing trade the crypto. So if you want to learn more about what I do and how you can actually make money from these markets, hit that subscribe button. Because I only focus on the charts, because the charts will never lie to you. Okay, so shout out to all you guys that's coming in right now, and shout out to all the guys that's watching that replay. You can actually speed it up by hitting speed 1.5 or 2. And of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. We're actually going to look at coin market cap first. Let's see if I see anybody in the building. What's going on? I see Michael. I see Dom. I see who else? I see Randy. So let me pop out that chat real quick, and we're gonna get this show started. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. What's going on, Peter? All right. Big Dom in the house. We are live. Yes, we are live. We are live. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So, of course, I'm gonna wait for more people to come in, but let's look at coin market cap. Let's see what coin market cap is doing. All right. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is actually going up. So right now it's at 54%. I don't expect it to go up too much unless Bitcoin decides to stall out. But I definitely expect it to go up a little bit, here and there. I think probably next year we're probably going to see it grow a little bit more. But when you see Bitcoin dominance over 50%, that definitely lets you know that we are definitely in a bear market, and you just got to watch out for that. Right now, the market cap is at 136 billion. All right. Volume is at 6 billion right now. Actually, let me click on Bitcoin. I want to see the volume overall lately. Let me see here. Let me look at this volume lately. So it picked up. I mean, we had that. Of course, we had that 8 million. That's what's up. I mean, when the last time we saw 8 million? That's how you know that the real pressure is to the downside. But as it's like 8 million, 6 million, and this still is not a lot of volume, guys. It's still not a lot of volume. For a bottom, I want to see more volume than this. All right, I definitely want to see more volume than this, but the volume is picking up a little bit. So I mean, today wasn't really nothing going on in the crypto market. So it looks like we might, on a weekly, we might close green. Okay, unless we have some crazy sell-off Friday or the weekend, but most likely we might close green. Okay. And we will see if it closed high or if it closed low. Okay, we will see. Let's see here. Let's see if I see any people in the chat room. What's going on, Philip? And I'm trying to pronounce your name, Van Brussel. All right, shout out to you guys. And if you guys have any questions, I'm quite sure you guys do. Please type in your questions in the chat box. This live stream is about me interacting with the viewers, okay, and also giving you guys an update on the charts. So let's go to the 4 hour real quick. What do I see? I see it's a possibility that Bitcoin could consolidate, you know, in this area right here, could consolidate, and then decides to go up. All right, decides to break out of that consolidation to go to the upside. Now that upside break might be another. It might be a forced breakout just to go right back down. Okay, so be careful with that. Okay, or we might not even do a false breakout. We might create a head and shoulder over here. Okay, we might create some type of head and shoulders. Okay, we have the head right here and we have the left shoulder. So all we need is the right shoulder and boom. Okay, so be careful. This is a dangerous time to be going long. Okay, because this is the first decent move from that breakout, and you don't want to be that that first guy that's trying to pick the bottom. I know a lot of people are trying to do it, but it's a dangerous game, guys. A dangerous game. So that's what I see with Bitcoin. We do have resistance right here at the 46, 48 level. It didn't reach here yet. Like I said, we might stall out right here. If we don't, we might consolidate and break out and might do some type of forced breakout. So just be prepared for anything. Let's see what's going on with these other coins here. All right, let's see what's going on with Litecoin. All right. So Litecoin, nothing going on. It looks like the Bitcoin chart. Overall, that up move right here was weak. So I definitely don't expect any type of crazy move to the upside with Litecoin. Let's see what Ethereum going on. What was Ethereum doing? Now, if you look at Ethereum, actually Ethereum looks even weaker. Okay, so and I told you guys before that sometimes you can't really look at Bitcoin because a lot of times Bitcoin is a distraction. Okay, the main coins you really want to look at is the altcoins. So whatever the altcoins are doing, most likely that's what's going to happen. So right now, if you look at Ethereum, it looks weak. I mean, this pop-up looks weak. We could actually continue to go back up one more time. Like I said before, though, please, guys, don't try to be a guy that you know trying to pick the bottoms. You think you know it all. That's a dangerous game, guys. Dangerous game. So let's see what Tron is doing. Tron actually popped up a little bit before. And now selling off a little bit. So we'll see what's going on with Tron. But Tron is still in that 1 cent range. Let's see what else. XRP. We'll see what XRP is doing. Yeah, XRP is kind of scary because it's at this trend line right here, and I think this could be a fake bounce off this trend line just to continue to go back down. So just be careful, guys. All right, be very careful. So like I said, guys, type in your questions. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I'm quite sure you guys have some type of questions, so I can answer your questions, guys. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know what's going on, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of saying, oh man, we're going to the moon and we go right back down, hit that subscribe button, guys, okay? Because this channel is different than most of these channels out here. I only talk about making money now. I don't care about making money 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years from now, okay? Because when I decided to become an entrepreneur, I started to study the rich, okay? The rich is playing a different game, guys. They're not trying to wait 20 years to make money. these guys are making money now. Okay, so hit that subscribe button because there's money to be made right now, and it's actually right in front of your face. You just have to wake up and see it. All right. So let's see if I see any questions here. Shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me give you guys another round of applause real quick. Hopefully I can make this a quick stream. You hit that like button. Shout out to you, Randy. Thanks a lot. You said dump alert. I figure we see a dump next 2 days, maybe Monday. Some gains will you said some gains if get a positive G20. Just my opinion. I hear you, bro. Since you said 6th December. MK Veli, you said December 6th, a bull run. What's going on, guys? Thanks a lot. So what do I see? You know, do I think Bitcoin is going to have another crash? I think we have another leg to go. Okay, I mean, this was just a quick push to the downside, and this is the first pullback, decent pullback actually. I believe we have more legs to go. I mean, this is too easy for the bottom. Okay, very too easy. I mean, too easy to actually, you know, say that this is the bottom. And you know, everybody thinks that the 3K level, 35 level is the bottom. So you know, that's you know, that is silly because if the whales know what everybody's thinking, most likely these guys are going to push it way below the 3,000 level. So I just think that this is just a regular pullback, and we will continue to go down. When you know, we don't know when. It could be tomorrow, it could be next week, but that's why I tell you guys, be careful, stop buying the dips, because you know, we are in the bear market, and the bear market is the reverse of a bull market, guys. That's all it is. So stop thinking that we're going to reverse and go to the moon. Bear markets, they last for years, and it's just what it is. You just have to deal with that. All right. Let's see if I see any questions here. Shout out to you guys here, though. Thanks a lot. How do you pick up the crypto? How do you pick which crypto to trade next? Brian, do you have my course? You basically look for a setup. Okay, so if you see a nice setup on Bitcoin, if you see a nice setup on XRP, if you see a nice setup on Tron TRX, then you take it. It's not really, you know, nothing more than that, actually. Yeah, so Brian, if you don't have my course, that means that you know, it's very hard to explain it, but basically, if let's say that Bitcoin decides, let's say one of your setups is a head and shoulders, right? And it looks like Bitcoin might create a head and shoulder right here. It's a possibility, right? Let's say that that's one of your setups, right? Then you would take whatever coin is giving you that head and shoulders. All right. So right now, Bitcoin looks weak. I don't know these other coins what they're doing, but you know, that's how we actually, you know, look into it. Gene said, I agree, too risky to buy. Yes, it is too risky, man. BTC can crash anytime. Yes, you're right. Okay, it could crash anytime. Kareem says, so short. We mean short. If you see a setup, Kareem, you know, I can't. Of course, I can't give anybody financial advice. If you see a setup, you know, you can take anything. If you see a setup, you know, I mean, that's how I'm doing it. Okay. Ben, do you think all markets has too much pressure? The bears is both crypto. The bears in the both crypto and regular markets will continue to keep draining. Oh, you talking about the regular markets too? I don't know what's going on with the stock market. It looks like it's a possibility that it's going to continue to go down. But they might wait until next year or another year. But with the crypto market, it's obvious, okay? Crypto market is very obvious. We dropped down. Like Bitcoin is down, what, 80% or more? And a lot of these coins are down 90% or more. So it's very obvious that we are definitely in the bear market when it comes to crypto. So yes, I still believe that the pressure is still here, and we're going to continue to go down. It's just how it works. It's not me talking negative, because a lot of people swear up and down I'm talking negative, and those are the same people that was coming on my live stream trolling and saying Bitcoin would never go below 10,000, and then when it went below 10,000, Bitcoin would never go below 13,000 and 12,000. All these crazy numbers. All right, 7,000, and then they were saying 6,000. Now it's at 3,000. So you can't say what Bitcoin is going to do. Okay, you can't come here and say Bitcoin will never do this or Bitcoin will never do that. Okay, I learned that when I first started out, that you can't talk in absolutes, because you don't control the market. The market can do whatever it wants to do. All right, and the market will always surprise you. That's number one. The market will always surprise you, and the market will always humble you. Okay, so if you come in the market thinking that you know everything, trust me, the market will humble you straight up. Honestly, I know it's humbling a lot of people right now. A lot of people are down 80% or more, and they feeling it. Okay. And like I said, guys, if you have any questions, type in your questions. Let me see here if I see any questions here. Crypto GDC said, "What are you talking about? Can you explain what you mean by that?" Okay. What's going on, Keith? Keith, you said you what's up, Big Ben? All listening at work. Shout out to Keith. Keith is at work. Keith is actually one of my day trading students. Let me give him that bomb. Keith actually been making a lot of money from day trading. He never day traded in his life. He actually started 3 weeks ago, and he already doubled his account. So shout out to Keith making his Wall Street money. Let me give him another bomb. Actually, let me give him that ka-ching button too. Let me give him that bomb. Shout out to him. Let's see here. See, guys, the market is very good at making you think that you know it, or you know a lot, okay? The market is very good at making you think that you got it all figured out, okay? And then, boom, one day it will surprise you, and you guys is just down, all right? Just think about it. The people that bought Bitcoin, Bitcoin last year around August, right? They bought it, let's say they bought it at 30, let's say they bought it at 3,600. Okay, if you bought Bitcoin at 3,600 and you roll that baby all the way to that 1900, right? You probably thought you was a genius. You probably thought it was, your life was different now. Like you change, and now everything is going to be different. You're going to be a millionaire, and you're going to have a yacht and Lambos. And next thing you know, you wake up and boom. 1 month your account is down 10%. Next month your account is down 20%. The next month is down 20%. And then you realize, whoa, I'm at break even. And then it goes lower. Like, whoa, I'm in the red. This is why, guys, you really can't come in the crypto market or any market thinking that you know it all. Okay, the market will always, I repeat, always humble you. Okay, if you come in here and say, "Oh, this will never happen," that would never happen. If you come in with that attitude, the market will always humble you. Okay, I know a lot of people are scared right now. Okay, I know a lot of people made millions of dollars and they didn't take any profits, and boom, they all that millions is gone. Okay, I tell you, this guy came in, said he made 700K and now it's gone. Okay, and that's why I tell you guys, buy and hold is not a legit strategy to have as your main strategy. Okay, it should be a secondary strategy. It shouldn't be your main strategy. Your main strategy should be taking profits. All right, making that consistent income, not bragging about, hey man, I can hold longer than you. No, you don't want to have a HODL contest and tell your HODL buddy, hey man, I can hold longer than you, buddy. You want to see me hold longer than you? That's not what the market is about. The market is about making money, guys. All right, it's just what it is. Let's see here. Back is coming in January. First of all, we don't know back is coming. That's number one. Okay. Back said they was coming in December. Okay. So we don't even know back is coming in December, January 24th. Okay. Second of all, let's say they do come. It doesn't mean anything because most of the stuff that they doing, I believe, is OTC. Okay. So, and not only that, since that news was out so long ago, it's already priced into the charts, so it doesn't even matter if back comes in at all. That's why you guys really have to not rely on the news, not rely on the white paper, not rely on what the CEO says. These CEOs could come out and say anything. And doesn't mean anything. The price could still come down. Right, still go down. So that's why I want you guys to stop relying on the news and all this stuff and take control of your life and of your investment career. Okay, and the way you do that is basically by reading the charts, guys. When I make money from the charts, it has nothing to do with nothing. It has nothing to do with the news, back, ETFs, Wall Street, none of that stuff. It has to do with me, my knowledge, my skills. Okay. That's what a lot of these young kids lack these days. They want the easy money. They want people to they just want to buy something and become a millionaire overnight. I told you guys before, the market will make you feel like you're a genius. Okay, and the market will give you gifts. Okay, the market will give you gifts, and it will take it away. It will take it away. Just like that. Boom. All right. So let's see here. Let's see if I see any questions here. You said you said agreed. I'm feeling it. My initial investment is bad off. Yeah, man, I hear you, bro. You know, like I said, I mean, you can always fix your situation. You just have to continue to study, build up skills, and learn how this stuff works. What's going on, Wasteland? Dom, been studying the day trading. Shout out to you. What's going on, D Loading? JR, what's going on? Keith said the day trading course is real, no joke. Went from newbie to day trading. Get the course and change your life. So shout out to you. Let me give you that bomb. All right, guys. So that's Keith. He actually one of my day trading students. All right, and I'm surprised. Like, honestly, I'm surprised that some of these guys are just catching on real quick, and actually making this money. Bina said, your course really helped me to control my emotions, stop panic sell and panic buy. Let me give you a bomb and a round of applause. If I can just think of work. Round of applause real quick. Shout out to you, Bina. Dan, what's going on? Wasteland, I want to grab your swing trading course. All right, so shout out to you. I'm guessing you're talking about this, the crypto one. Let me give you that live stream discount. And anybody else that don't know what this is about, it's pretty much about swing trading crypto, and understanding how the market works, showing you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. So this course is actually two sections. Section 1 is about making money in the bear market. Section 2 is about making money in the bull market. All right, the best course on the crypto market, period. You can read my testimonials of people making money, and if you have any questions, let me know. So I just gave you that discount. Who was asking for that? Wasteland, I just gave you that discount. So here's the link. All right, and for you guys that want that day trading course, I actually brought back the day trading course for you guys that want that day trading course too, because I've been getting a lot of emails from that. Been getting a lot of emails asking me about the day trading course. Let me see. In Wasteland, once you get the course, let me know, because it comes with a Discord room. Let me see here. I watched my 700 investment go to 700 to 12K to 500, man. Shout out to you, bro. I feel your pain, bro. I feel your pain. And just let you know, you're not the only one that's going through it. Okay, you're not the only one that's going through that. That's why I tell my subscribers to take profits. And you don't know, a lot of people thank me for that. Like, yo, bro, I'm so grateful that I found your channel, because you're the only one telling people to take profits. All right. And that's because I'm doing this full time, guys. This is what I do. And the reason why a lot of people are scared to take profits is because they feel like they're going to miss out. Guys, you will never miss out. All right. When you take profits, you're not missing out. You can actually always get back in. And that's why it's very good to learn how to read the charts, because you could know when to get in and you can know when to stop buying. Okay, so if let's say that you get in and things don't look right, you can always get out and stop buying and wait until things look right. Okay, so that's why it's very, very, very important to learn how to read the charts, because you're not going to be an average Joe no more. You're going to be that guy that's that know how to read that knows how to read the charts. Let me see here. Never ever buy the dips in the bear market. Shout out to you, Dom. Peter said, I left the hodl game to swim in the well with the whales. Shout out to you, Peter. Let me give you that bomb. Shout out to you. Chris said, brand new, where do I start? Chris, I actually have, if you are interested in swing trading crypto, I have, this course right here is one of the best courses on the crypto market right now, and will teach you everything you will need to know how to make money now. Okay, so I'm big about making money now because there's no reason to wait. Okay, you know, people swear up and down that hodling is the best strategy. Period. No, it's not, because the rich is not. They're not you know, putting hodling first. Okay, these guys are, the rich is actually making money right now. So your guys really have to learn how to do that. It's a skill. You just have to learn how to read the charts, practice. So this is the first course I would tell you to get. I have another course, the day trading course, but I don't know if you have time to day trade. Okay, so this course right here, that 150 is actually live stream price. So it's when I get off this live stream, it goes back to 300. Let's see if I see any more questions here. Ben is right. I was watching another crypto YouTuber live, and all he said is, and all he does is read the news, no charts, no nothing, hypes it up and bring up your emotions. Let me give you that round of applause and the bomb. All right, guys, and that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. All right, you know. And I noticed, like, some YouTubers, what they would do is give you a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. And the reason why I don't do that is because, first of all, it's going to give the Moon Boys hope. And second of all, it's going to confuse you, okay? It's no such thing as a bullish view and a bearish view, okay? When I'm looking at the chart, and I'm looking at the major trend, okay, I'm only looking at what the chart is doing. So if the chart is going down, that's it. I don't need to be talking about the the bulls at all. Okay, I know some people can't understand that, but you know, the way I look at the chart is I'm looking at the major trend, okay? And the major trend is telling me there's no bulls in sight. So why would I get you guys' hopes up and tell you about a bullish scenario? No, I won't do that, because it doesn't make any sense. Because we've been dropping every single month. All right. That's why I tell you guys to be on point and stop buying the dips, because if you don't, you're just going to be that guy. Listen, I know for a fact that there's a lot of people that bought the dips and they don't have no more money. I know for a fact, guys. Actually, I saw it before, okay? Actually, I saw it when we was hovering around the 6,000 mark, okay? People said, man, I want to buy this coin, but I don't have any more money, you know? So that's what's going to happen, guys. You're going to buy the dips and you're going to run out of money, and it's going to mess up your life, okay? It's going to mess up your life. All right, so let's see here. Like I said before, guys, if you are new to my live stream, if you have any questions, type in your questions. That's what I do on my live streams. I'm quite sure some of you guys have questions. I'm quite sure, and I try to answer these questions and interact with my viewers. And also, if you're new, and you're tired of listening to all these all the BS that's on the crypto, you know, on YouTube from these crypto YouTubers. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Okay, over here I just give you the facts. All right, I give you tough love, and I'm not really worrying about if you know get mad or not, because at the end of the day, I'm trying to help you save money or make money. Okay, I'm not really trying to gas things up and hype things up. That's not gonna help you, you know. Because imagine me, okay, saying that, guys, we're going to the moon. Okay, imagine me all you know, since January. Imagine me saying, guys, don't worry, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. We're dropping more. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, guys. Don't worry, this is the bottom. We're going to the moon. Like that. Come on, guys. Like, does that even make any sense? Like, I don't understand why certain people still follow these guys. Like, anyway, let's go back. You said what platform I'm using right now? This is tradingview.com. Are you talking about platform as in trading, crypto, or what? Crypto or the futures market? Which one are you talking about? Carl. I'm talking to Carl right now. What's going on, Lance? Shout out to you, Lance. Keith, I can't wait to go on vacation so I can practice. Shout out to you, Dom. I'm reading these questions, guys, so just give me a second. Let me see here. I'm going to keep hanging around, but after the new year, I'm grabbing a course. I need a new, yeah, man, you know, shout out to you, Michael. Yeah, you know, 2019 is coming real soon, guys. You can't go into 2019 with the same bad habits, guys. You can't go, you know, in 2019 buying the dips, thinking that you know it all, thinking that, you know, the market's going to reverse and go to the moon, okay? It takes time for all that stuff to go through. Let me see here. Let me read these questions. I think Tone Vase is actually buying right now. He thinks Bitcoin might go to 5K. Let me see. Where's 5K? Man, it's a possibility, but I mean 5K. Whew. I don't know, bro. It's a possibility. It's a possibility to go to 5K, but I don't think it wants to go to 5K. You know, we'll definitely see. It's a possibility that we can actually consolidate from here, or we can have one crazy either blast down again to make another leg. So just watch out for anything crazy. What's going on, Lance? Hi, I just finished your crypto grabber course. Well worth the money. Insight and an update fresher on the 2018 would be better for bear setups. Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. That's what's up, man. And you just actually got my course not too long ago. So if you finished the course, that means you are you know, doing good. That's what's up. Wasteland said he just grabbed it. Let me see. So let me give you that round of applause, bro. Shout out to you. And let me give you that ka-ching button. Because there's money in front of your face and money to be made, guys. So shout out to Wasteland. Thanks a lot for showing support and getting that course. How much is for your day trading course? My day trading course, actually, I brought it back to the market because I've been getting a lot of demand for it. So I said, hey, why not? So I brought it back to the market. Now the regular price is $9.50. If you have the crypto course, okay, if you have the crypto course already, you're gonna get a discount, which is $7.50. But in order to get that discount, you have to email me. All right. But that's how much it costs. All right. And the reason why it costs that much, actually, I should be charging more. I should be charging at least minimum $2,000 for that. But the reason why it costs more because it shows you how to make money daily. Okay. Anything that can show you how to make money daily is going to cost more. Like I said, one of my students is actually on my live stream right now, Keith. He can actually tell you what's going on with that day trading course. He's right now, he's in the process of, if I'm not mistaken, he probably did it already, but I know he's in the process of tripling his account. He already doubled his account, and now he's in the process of tripling. Let me see what's going on. X. You said, what's the best way to trade a current scenario and current state? You're talking about the best way. The best way is to stay with the trend, okay? So you stay with the Bitcoin trend, okay? You find a setup. I have a couple of setups that I talk about in the course, okay? But let's say that you want to take a flag setup or something like this, okay? You find a setup that you think that is it's going to be useful, and you wait for that setup. Okay, I talk about multiple setups, and you go from there. So the best way to deal with this current market is to only go with the trend. I wouldn't be buying right now, even if it just decides to continue to go back up. I mean, it could go up just a little bit and then reverse right back on you. All right. The people that try to buy right here, they got wiped out. The people that try to buy right here, they got wiped out. So, you know, it's just a dangerous game to try to pick the bottom. Call says, sorry, trading crypto. Yeah, trading crypto. This is it right here. I forgot the question that you asked, Call. Forgot, bro. Let me see here, guys. I'm trying to go through these questions real quick. You said, Lance, you said there's no platforms. What platforms you talking about, Lance? I'm reading these questions right here, so give me a second, guys. And if you're new to my channel, new to watching the stream, type in your question. If you have any questions about the market, if you feel that it's going to go up, or if you're scared about something and you don't understand what's going on, you can type in your question, okay? Or if you're new to this, hit that subscribe button too. Let me see here. Driving home, listening. Shout out to Keith. Yeah, be safe. What's going on, Sean? What's going on, Leslie? And Wasteland, can you please email me? Okay, are you still here, Wasteland? Wasteland, are you still here? Email me because I want to give you that Discord room, okay? I'm short deep in BTC. Shout out to you, John. John is short deep. At what level, John? What level you got in? You said dead count yesterday, dead count cat bounce. Honestly, every bounce in the bear market is a dead count cat bounce because you know that's how you have to look at it until the market proves to you that it's not in the bear market anymore. So that's why I say, guys, you really have to be careful. All right. I know some of you guys get caught up in the news. I know some of you guys get caught up with these YouTubers. You know, but I don't want you guys to get caught up. Let's see here. Let me read these. I'm about to get off soon, though. Your top 5 coins, please. I don't have no top 5 coins because we are in the bear market, and I believe most of these coins will get wiped out. And I don't want to have any top 5 anything right now until this bear market ends. Okay, I want to see who's going to survive, what's standing, and we go from there. Okay, because this whole bull market was based on hype, a lot of hype. All right, so let's see here. Look at these questions. Aces said, I want to buy your course. I'm about to buy it. Which one, Aces? Which one you about to buy, Aces? Got short at 42. Okay, I hear that. Wasteland said, Big Ben, I just emailed you. Okay, hit these likes. Yeah, just be careful. These coins, you have to understand. A lot of these coins are very good when it comes to creating white papers. So the white paper might sound good and all this stuff, but some of these guys are not really doing anything. All right. I want to get that day trading course. Yes. So shout out to you, Aces. Let me give you a round of applause, Aces. Let me know when you get it. All right, because. Aces, as soon as you get it, let me know because I want to send you that day trading, what do you call that? The day trading Discord room, okay? I want to send it to you right away. And if anybody don't know what he's talking about this situation right here. This is the day trading course. It will show you how to day trade the futures market. You said send you the link. I have the day trading Discord room. No, you don't have the day trading Discord room. Yeah, you have the swing trading course. Yes. So Aces, email me right now because if you have the crypto course, that means you are available for that discount for the day trading course. All right. So email me right now so I can give you that discount for the day trading course. All right. Email me right now. If you don't have my email address, let me give it to you right here. All righty. let me see here. I forgot I was saying something. But basically, I think I was talking about the day trading course. My whole goal is actually to create six-figure traders. All right, with that day trading course. Let's see what's going on with XRP, guys. XRP itself might bounce from this level, but I think if we sell off, I think it's a possibility we can sell off, but it is a nice little trend line right here, so we might bounce a little bit from this trend line, but it all depends on what Bitcoin is going to do. Bitcoin most likely will end up green this week, because if you look at the weekly candle already, and today is what, Thursday? So don't get it twisted. This weekly candle looks weak. It's not like a crazy bullish weekly candle, but it is green. So I do expect it to close green unless we have some crazy selling tomorrow or over the weekend, because remember, guys, this weekend was a lot of selling. Okay, so it's a possibility we might get some. We actually might get another weekend that we just we sell off. Okay, but I definitely expect this to be green. Bean says too early to say which way Bitcoin is moving. We need to be patient. Shout out to you, Bina. XRP been following BTC lately. You said XRP been yeah. XRP always been following BTC, except for maybe one week or something. But for the most part, I've been following XRP. I think either next week we might have it's hard to say. Okay, it's hard to say. I think next week we might have another sell-off, or next week it might be another green bar just to go slightly higher. And then after that we might sell off. So they might consolidate for a week. Okay. But I'll tell you this much. I believe that we have lower lows. You just have to wait, okay? Bitcoin in the past, we saw Bitcoin in the past go up a lot, okay? And just to go right back down. So even if we go back up to the tested breakout, which is around 57, 58, doesn't even mean anything. Like I said, in the past, we saw Bitcoin make these big pullbacks just to go right back down. And if Bitcoin decides to go all the way back up to the breakout, oh man, tell me about it, bro. I mean, everybody's gonna get happy, but I don't think it wants to go up that high. I think it wants to stay low. Probably the lowest 45-ish, maybe hit the 46 level, 48 level. I think it don't want, Bitcoin doesn't want to go too crazy. We might consolidate for another week. It's a possibility too. So we might not even do anything for another week, okay? But like I said, guys, my next target is this right here, this circle right here, which is like 2,900, 3,000. When is it going to hit it? I don't know. All right, let's see if I see any more questions. Aces, I just emailed you proof of purchase of the swing trading course. All right, let me see what's going on, Aces. Let me see if I see your email. I should see your email soon. I think I see your email right here. All right, so I'm going to email you the link for that day trading course. Okay, Aces. All right, so let me see here. Litecoin, if Bitcoin decides to go lower, okay, Litecoin is just pretty much gonna go lower than that $20 range, probably. You're gonna see it $18, $20 easily, $15. Okay. And for you guys that's thinking that the bull market is coming is around the corner, you know, it takes time, guys. It takes time because the bull market is based on hope and hype and a lot of hype and hope. So right now, a lot of people are not ready to buy Bitcoin because they got, these guys got burnt, and a lot of people are not really trying to look into Bitcoin because it's fallen. So don't think that the bull market is coming real soon. You have to be patient. That's why I tell you guys to learn how to read the charts, because there's money to make. There's money to make now. I mean, you can actually make money now, but some of you guys are, some of you guys just think that it's easy to the point where you just sit back and make money, and you buy and you sit back and watch your coin go to the moon. Okay, it doesn't work like that. So if you want to make that consistent money, you have to learn how to read the charts, build skills, and go from there. Okay. So stop thinking that the market is going to just reverse and do some V bottom and just go straight. Because this is what most people think, right? Let me zoom out real quick. They think that the market is going to do this right here. All right. And they think the market is going to do something like this, and they always go back to last year. Oh, remember last year, November? Guys, the reason why we had that crazy push up last year is because the momentum was up. The momentum was to the upside. All right. Now the momentum is to the downside. So you can't really expect the market to just reverse and go up like that. All right. It's much easier for the market to continue to go up when it's going up, versus if it's going down and then it has to stop, then it has to reverse. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. So you have to give it time. Even the last crash. If you saw the last crash before we created that bottom, it took time for Bitcoin to even reverse. Okay, the last crash that we had in 2013 when it first started out, before it reversed and actually we went to that bull market, it took time. Okay, it was going sideways for a long time. So in the meantime, while you're waiting for that bull market, I'll learn how to read the charts and learn how to make money now. Let me see if I see any questions here, and I'm about to get out of this. Keith, are you still here? Keith, are you still in the building, Keith? Aces, are you still here too, Aces? Let me know, Aces, are you still here? Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. J.A., can I watch your YouTube videos about trading? You said, can I watch YouTube videos about trading and learn stuff in your course? What makes your course special? Is it basic trading? I haven't heard nothing about what's in your course. JR, are you talking about this? Okay, my day trading course. All right. Shout out to Keith. Keith, you actually are one of my day trading. Oh, you saw the crypto. You said what? My crypto course. My crypto course will basically put you on the right track and help you read the market, so you won't buy the bottom. A lot of people nowadays are buying the bottom like crazy, and not only that, it will help you to get in the market and make money from the market going down. Okay, now it also shows you how to make money in the bull market. All right, now you're saying what's so special about my course? Well, so special about my course is I break things down and make things simple, and also I have a system in place. Okay, so if you go on the internet or YouTube trying to look for information, what you're gonna get is just bits of pieces of of how things work. You're not gonna get the full picture. No one goes on. I can guarantee you won't find any type of decent system on YouTube, because they will leave something out. Okay, you never get the full picture on the internet. Okay, you would get you get information here, you get some information there, but never the full the full picture. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you something that's complete, something that's easy to understand, and I'm also giving you 11 years of experience, and I'm also giving you what works. I have students that's making money from it. So there you go. So Aces, you just got the email. Aces, let me know when you get the course, please. Keith said you just got home. Shout out to you, Keith. I remember when Litecoin was $400. Yeah, bro. Litecoin was $400, and now is at $33. That's sad, right? Sad. What about Bitcoin Cash? Let's look at Bitcoin Cash. That is disgusting right there, right? Like, Bitcoin Cash is disgusting. This thing is going to drop to zero real soon, right? Yo, Bitcoin Cash is. I almost called it. Bitcoin Crash. Bitcoin Cash is disgusting, and most likely this thing is going to zero. You said go Cowboys. Shout out to UVI. What's going on, bro? All right, guys. So if you have any more questions, let me know. I'm about to get off this live stream. And Aces, if I'm not on a live stream before you get the course, please make sure you email me and let me know that you got the course, okay? Because I have to give you a Discord room. All right, I have to give you that Discord room. You don't have this Discord room already. You said, Ben, I have a credit card, not PayPal. Aces, how? Let me ask you a question, Aces. How did you pay for my crypto course? Because if you got my crypto course already, that means that you paid with a credit card. If you press buy now, it goes to PayPal, but PayPal allows you to buy with a credit card. You don't have to have a PayPal account, Aces. Let me see. Big Ben, what do you think about the technical analysis courses on Udemy? They are very cheap. Is your course something similar to those courses found? First of all, I don't know any course on Udemy. I never took any courses on Udemy, so I don't know what information these guys are talking about. But what I can show you that Udemy can't show you is results. Okay. Just go to my testimonial page and just read my results. That's it. It's really nothing to it. And also, these guys are not, most likely they're not doing it full time. I've been doing this for 11 years, and also this comes with a Discord room. Okay, the Discord room is actually worth the class. Lance said it's Christmas season, $4.99 for the day trading class. Shout out to you, Lance. I wish, bro. All right. Shout out to you, Aces. Lance, you know, there's no way in the world I can sell this for $4.99. I actually, at the time, I was thinking about selling it for $2,000, and it's worth actually more than $2,000. If you don't believe me, actually, Keith, you are one of my day trading students, right? Keith, let them know the success that you're getting right now from the day trading course. All right. Let them know. Aces said, can't wait. So Aces said he just bought it. Let me give him a round of applause, bro. All right. Shout out to you. Let me drop that ka-ching button for him. And also let me drop that bomb. Aces just got that super rare day trading course, guys. All right, that course alone will put you in a different class. Period. So let's see here if I see any more questions here. Yeah, Aces. I want you to email me. Aces, right? Well, no, I'm sorry, Aces. I'm going to email you when I get off this live stream. Okay, Aces. Let me see. And X. Let me ask you something, X. Anywhere on Udemy is showing you how to go short. I don't know. Let me see if I see any more questions here. Is the day trading room is the same? No, it's not the same. The crypto room and the day trading room is separate, Aces. I'm trying to see if I missed any questions here. So you said no, just asking. Those courses are just talking fundamentals. Yes. So like I said, those courses in Udemy, I can guarantee you they're not showing you how to go short. They probably just showing you, like you said, fundamentals and stuff like that. Nothing else. Some basic stuff. I'm showing you how to make money from these markets. James said, you guys that asking for a discount, just be aware that people are paying an excessive $10K for trading indicators at some seminars, okay? And I have yet to purchase a full mill, but will soon. Shout out to you. Yeah, so basically what he's saying is, if you think that this is a lot, there's courses or seminars out here that's way more than that 950. And Keith is actually one of my students. Keith, let these guys know, the success that you're having with this course already. Because I think some people are just, But anyway, that's about it with the crypto market, guys. I don't really see anything going on. I see that with Bitcoin, we might consolidate. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. We might consolidate right here. All right, and maybe form either a flag to go up one more time. Now be careful if we do form a flag, because it might just be a fake breakout just to go right back down. Or we might create some type of small head and shoulders right here just to go right back down. I believe we have another leg to the downside. Like I said, this is too easy for the bottom. And it's not really any decent buying right here. But overall, just be careful, guys. Please don't let this market trick you. It's been tricking you the whole year. Okay, so it's time to wake up. It's time to become a professional. It's time to understand what's going on. You will always see videos about bullish this and the Wall Street is coming in, and Goldman Sachs coming in, buy, whatever, any crazy news, you will always see that, and next thing you know, the market will sell off. Okay, that's because that's what the market is all about. Okay, the market wants to get you hyped, get your hopes up, and boom, do the opposite. Okay, all right, so shout out to all you guys. Let me get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. Wasteland, Ben, I just emailed you with some questions. Shout out to you. All right, I will check out your questions. If anybody that's on this live stream if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, if you don't understand how to make money now, NOW, hit that subscribe button, because that's what my channel is all about. Making money now and focusing on building up your wealth weekly, monthly, okay? Because that's the only way you're going to quit your job, all right? You're not going to quit your job by buying your favorite coin and hoping that it's going to go to the moon, all right? Bitcoin had a crazy run, 10 years, right, straight. The market might slow down, okay? And I don't want you guys to get caught out there. I don't want you guys to, just hang around and wait for that bull market. I want you guys to participate and still make money now, okay? You just have to study the charts. I told you guys before, you don't even have to buy my material. You can, do whatever you have to do to study the charts and make sure that you understand that there's money out here right now. And that's what I want you guys to understand. All right. Let's see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Definitely want to catch some basketball real quick. Keith said, you're getting in the mind of professional day trading, and that's what the course is. The video can listen over and over. Yes. So shout out to Keith. Keith is actually one of my day trading students, and he's in the process of tripling his account. And this course right here, or any of my courses, is not for people that's lazy. Okay, so if you're lazy, you just want to make $1 million by sitting and watching the news, this is not for you. Okay, you have to practice, study, and all that stuff will pay off. Okay. Let me see here. Chris said, this Christmas will be bad. A time for bad time for crypto. It's the calm before the storm. The total market cap. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. I mean, by the end of this year, it's a possibility. The market cap could go under 100. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Let's see what they want to do with this. Okay. Let's see what they want to do with this. Because if they want to do some slick stuff where they want to bring this market back up and make a fake rally for Christmas or December, that's another possibility too. But if they can't bring it up, and which I it's very hard for me to see these guys go up all the way back up to 6,000. This is very hard for me to see it. So even if they do, there's a lot of resistance right here. So just be careful. But, like I said, I think that we will see another leg down. This is too easy for a bottom, period. But, yeah, it is a possibility December they will try to bring this up just to have a fake rally, rally just to have people hype again. And, a lot of people going to say, ha, 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 yeah, the bottom is in, blah, blah, blah. But just be careful, guys. This has been going on for the whole year. All right, so guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. I will definitely get to you guys' emails. Starbucks accepting Bitcoin 2019 good news. First of all, I don't think Starbucks is accepting Bitcoin. You have to understand, David, none of this stuff is in stone. Okay, none of this stuff is black and white. Back it's no guarantee back will come in. It's no guarantee Starbucks will accept Bitcoin. There's no guarantee with anything. But shout out to you guys, man. Keep studying, keep practicing, study the charts, guys. And you will get better. Talk to you guys. If you guys have any questions about anything or the courses, let me know. And that's about it. So guys, keep on improving. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.